Are you unknowingly sabotaging your garden this January? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many gardeners in Zone 9 make simple but costly mistakes this time of year. Today, I'm going to help you avoid those mistakes and set you up for gardening success, all while saving you time, money, and frustration. Let's dive in. Why January gardening matters in Zone 9. Here in Zone 9, we're lucky to have a mild winter, which means January isn't just a month to sit back and wait for spring. It's a golden opportunity. Whether you're growing veggies, flowers, or maintaining your landscape, what you do or don't do in January has a big impact on the months ahead. Get it right now, and your garden will thank you with healthier plants and better harvests. Mistake 1, overwatering plants. Let's start with a big one, overwatering. It's easy to think your plants need just as much water now as they do in summer, but here's the thing. January's cooler temperatures mean your plants are using way less water. Overwatering can lead to root rot and wasted resources. Check the soil before you water. Stick your finger about 2 inches deep. If it feels dry, go ahead and water. If it's still moist, hold off. And when you do water, do it deeply to encourage strong root systems. This simple habit can save your plants and your water bill. Mistake 2, ignoring soil health. Next up, soil health. It's easy to overlook your soil in winter, but trust me, this is the perfect time to build a solid foundation for your garden. Neglecting soil health now can lead to underperforming plants later. Add organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to your soil. Think of it as feeding your garden a healthy diet. And if you haven't already, test your soil's pH and nutrient levels. Kits are inexpensive and easy to use. Knowing what your soil needs ensures you're not wasting time or money on unnecessary amendments. Mistake 3, planting at the wrong time. Here's another big issue, planting at the wrong time. In Zone 9, January can feel warm enough to plant almost anything, but jumping the gun or waiting too long can lead to frost damage or poor germination. Focus on crops and flowers that thrive in cooler weather. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are excellent choices. Snap peas and carrots, perfect. For flowers, go with pansies or snapdragons, and always check the frost dates in your area before planting. A little planning goes a long way. Mistake 4, ignoring frost protection. Even in Zone 9, frost can catch you off guard. Forgetting to shield your plants when temperatures drop can be a costly oversight. Keep track of the weather forecast. If frost is predicted, cover delicate plants with frost cloths or even old bed sheets. Mulching around the base of plants helps stabilize soil temperature. And don't forget plants in pots are at higher risk, so move them to a protected area if possible. Mistake 5, skipping winter pruning. Now, let's discuss pruning. Skipping winter pruning is like letting your plants grow without guidance. It can result in weak growth and fewer flowers or fruits. Winter is the ideal time to prune most deciduous trees and shrubs. For roses, cut back old growth to encourage new blooms in spring. Just be sure to use clean, sharp tools to prevent harming your plants. Let's recap. Avoid overwatering by checking soil moisture. Boost soil health with compost and soil testing. Choose the right crops for the right time. Shield your garden from unexpected frost. Prune your plants to encourage healthy growth. Now is the perfect time to plan your spring garden. Start sketching your layout and ordering seeds you'll be glad you did later. So, which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe. I've got plenty of Zone 9 gardening tips coming your way, so stay tuned. Remember, gardening is a process. Mistakes happen, but with knowledge and effort, they become lessons. Happy gardening! I'll see you in the next video.